while ago I was trying to figure out what some of this racket is that I'm hearing coming out from under this thing. I thought it might be a good idea to see what's going on over here. What's causing it? Can't feel it leaking anywhere. Maybe it's coming from the other side. Go to the other side, look. I know what it is. I don't know where it is. I'm not sure what it is, but I can figure that out. So I'm sure that was probably the most amazing piece of video you've ever seen. All right, let's talk about exhaust. I was talking about this thing rattling these pipes the other day. Well, there's two bolts right there, and they had both come loose. Actually, one was gone, the other one was just hanging on. So I went through the back seat, took the back seat out and went through the wall, metal wall next to the seat belt there, and got two bolts in there with lock washers on them and got them snugged up good. And it don't rattle no more. It's not loose no more. It's good and snug, and that should improve the sound immensely. What was going on before is when I would run this, I would hear a clunk, 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 clunk. And it was the exhaust pipes clunking because they were loose, but it sounded like it could be like a motor clunking, which is really annoying, especially after you just rebuilt an engine and you don't want to hear it clunking, you know. So anyway, that might be the last of me needing to be under the car. I'm going to do this before I let it down though. I'm going to start it and we can listen to it. Right. Let's see what we think. Wire. watching.